Today, I'm going to show you my journey struggling to model and print something that doesn't look like shit to upgrade my 3D printer, Tom. Say hi, Tom.
You're a piece of shit. Yep.
Okay, Tom's mad. Let's go. But first, we need to figure out how to attach this Raspberry Pi to the printer. And since I'm a huge fan of
the Gridfinity,
I made this X-mounted base plate. If you don't know what Gridfinity is, check them out, link in the description. Now that we've got that out of the way, my first attempt was less than ideal. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with this, but we've got to go back to the drawing board. And to ensure a stroke of pure genius, I put on an intellectual podcast.
It's gonna be a fucking shit show.
everyone's gonna hate us.
100%. Cheers.
It's not an Asian cough, it's coronavirus. You can't just blame it on them.
That's not what I said.
That is what you say. You said it's their fault with the eyes.
And just like that,
Welcome to another
if my
episode
printer's
of
name is Tom,
Cave.
and the host How hard could a cave be? I mean, it's just rock. Okay, rocks are hard.
But I like rocks.
No worries though, I found some rocks. And I want to take this second to shout out these great creators on Thingiverse. Without them, this project would have been so much more difficult. And let me know, where do you get your models from? Thingiverse, printables? Leave a comment, I'm curious. Now, it's time to show you an in-depth breakdown of how I modeled, and I forgot to hit record. But after a long assembly process, it did come out looking pretty sweet. Let's see if Tom likes it.
Oh, shit.
I think he likes it. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Consider hitting that subscribe button. We're only making more. Take care now.